Hey friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you YouTube Premium Smart Download, right? So what is the Smart Download, right? So basically, if you have YouTube Premium, you can download videos. I'm going to click on a random video right here, and you will see right here from this video, if I scroll down at the bottom, I can hit download button and it will download the video for me. That's the manual download, let's say, to videos once you have YouTube Premium. And so once you have YouTube Premium, you can download the videos and you can click downloads on the left side once you're on YouTube, and you can see all of those videos that you download. You can also do this from your mobile as well. But if you look right here at the top, you can see smart downloads. Turn on to get automatic downloads for you. Now, what is a smart downloads? The smart downloads is basically a recommendation. So the type of videos you watch, your watch habits, whatever is showing up on your homepage, that videos that are recommended to you, these kind of things. YouTube are going to somehow kind of start download those kind of videos for you. And so that's how the smart download is. And you can easily research it more, right? So you can even Google it, right? Smart download YouTube, right? Or YouTube Premium. You can easily Google it. Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel, and of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now, let's continue. And here you can see that the smart downloads is a YouTube premium feature that allows you to automatically download recommended videos to your device for offline viewing based on your watch history. Simple as that, right? And so that's pretty much it, guys. So based on your watch history, your watch habits, it's going to somehow proactively start download those videos for you automatically. It is good in a sense, but also, if you want to have control over what you're downloading to watch offline, then you don't turn on this feature. Right. And of course, if you want to do it, you can turn it on by clicking downloads. You'd see it right at the top. And if you do turn it on and at some point you want to turn it off, you'll go back to downloads again. On the upper right, click the settings. You will find it now under the download section. You will scroll on a bit, or you don't even have to scroll. You'll find smart downloads and you can toggle it off from here. And that's pretty much it, guys.